Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll first verify drivers and Java so the GPU can be used reliably. Update your NVIDIA or AMD driver now and make sure Java matches Tlauncher's architecture. Once done, open Tlauncher and select the profile you'll use. Click Edit to expose the JVM options and game folder paths. Do this now so the launcher is ready to accept GPU-specific tweaks and custom JVM flags in the very next steps. Next, modify JVM options to let the GPU work efficiently. Increase XMX to the appropriate amount, enable G1GC, and add the LWJGL flag that blocks software GL so hardware is used. Then, force the GPU at the driver level by setting Tlauncher or Java to high performance in NVIDIA or AMD control panels. Also point the profile to the 64-bit Java executable if your drivers are 64-bit. These steps make sure rendering goes to the GPU instead of falling back to software. Finally, launch the game and confirm GPU activity using Task Manager or MSI Afterburner. You should see RAM and GPU usage increase. If performance is poor, reduce render distance, install Optifine, or tweak XMX to avoid stutters. If it still fails, revert the JVM flags, test a vanilla profile to isolate the issue, and update or roll back your GPU driver as a last resort. One key tip: if the game uses minimal GPU, force the Java exe/Tlauncher in the GPU control panel and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.